Why do environmental triggers worsen COPD cough? Have you ever wondered why a simple change in the environment can make a cough worse for someone with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease? Let's break it down. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, often referred to as COPD, is a condition that causes ongoing inflammation and damage to the lungs. This damage makes it hard for air to flow in and out, leading to symptoms like chronic cough. When environmental triggers come into play, they can irritate the already sensitive airways. This irritation leads to increased inflammation and mucus production. The body responds by triggering a cough to clear out these irritants. So, what are these environmental triggers that can worsen a cough for someone with COPD? Air pollution and smoke are major culprits. Exposure to cigarette smoke, whether from smoking or secondhand smoke, can introduce harmful particles into the lungs. Vehicle exhaust and industrial fumes also contribute to this problem. These irritants can increase inflammation and make the cough more frequent and severe. Weather conditions play a role too. Cold, dry air can constrict the airways, while hot, humid air can thicken mucus. Both extremes can provoke coughing and make breathing more difficult. Sudden changes in weather can also irritate the airways, leading to increased coughing. Respiratory infections are another factor. When someone with COPD catches a cold or flu, the airways become even more inflamed. This inflammation leads to more mucus production, worsening the cough and other symptoms of COPD. Allergens and airborne particles, such as pollen and dust, can also trigger coughing. These allergens can lead to airway hypersensitivity, causing more coughing and wheezing. The cough itself is a protective reflex. It helps clear mucus and irritants from the lungs. However, when environmental triggers increase mucus and irritation, the cough becomes more persistent and severe. To manage this worsening cough, there are practical steps that can be taken. Avoiding exposure to cigarette smoke and air pollution is essential. Wearing a scarf or mask can help warm and humidify cold air before it reaches the lungs. Using air conditioning or humidifiers can maintain comfortable indoor air quality. Staying indoors during extreme weather or high pollution days can also help. Additionally, getting vaccinated and practicing good hygiene can prevent respiratory infections that could worsen COPD symptoms. In summary, environmental triggers worsen the cough in chronic obstructive pulmonary disease by increasing airway inflammation and mucus production. Managing exposure to these triggers is key to controlling chronic cough and other symptoms of COPD.